Deleting a Facebook group is a simple process, but it's important to be aware that once it's deleted, all its content, including the posts, photos, member data, it'll be permanently erased. So to begin, you're going to need to be the group admin. You have to be. If you're not an admin, you won't have the ability to delete the group. You're going to start by logging into your Facebook account and navigate to the group you want to delete. In the group menu, you'll find the settings option. Click on this and scroll down to the bottom of the settings page where you're going to find the option to delete group. All right? Click on this option and Facebook will prompt you to confirm your decision. You may also be asked to review any pending member requests or posts before proceeding. If you are the only admin of the group, deleting it will remove the group entirely, and no one else will have to access it. No one else will have access to it. If there are multiple admins, you're going to need to remove them before deleting the group. It's a good idea to notify the group members of the deletion, especially if the group has been active for some time, so they can save up any important content for themselves before it disappears. So once confirmed, the group will be deleted and the action cannot be undone. Hope this helped. Let me know.